Hello everybody, so today I'm here with my 1956 Northern Electric made in Canada rotary phone. As you can see, it's the oldest one in my collection, and it's made by Northern Electric. The handset is a lot different than, I'm just going to give you a reference to this one that I did in the previous video, and this one. It's different. Right here you can see Northern Electric Company Limited, patent dates, or sometimes it's made in Canada, F1. Me and my papa got this one ringing. I got it at an antique store, but it dialed out and everything, but it didn't ring. So we got inside of it and we fixed that. Here's the dialing sound. Great little phone. The numbers are kind of faded, but if you've used one, that bell ringing is something. Because we had to fix it. The bells are right there. It has the original little cloth feet. It's got a metal bottom. Yeah, that's how you know it's old. So, I'm gonna let you receive a call in from it. Or I'm gonna let y'all hear it ring. In just a second, give me a second. Hold on just a second, guys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. That classic ring. Just ring once if that's okay. So, there you have it. The 1956 Northern Electric. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, this model's the same model that was in I Love Lucy TV show. But anywho, there is 1956 Northern Electric made in Canada rotary phone. Hope you all have a blessed day and God bless. Bye-bye.